When we cut a tomato and observe its red flesh, we are glimpsing one of the greatest nutritional treasures that nature has to offer. The tomato is one of the richest sources of lycopene, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting our cells and reducing the risk of various diseases. Lycopene is a type of carotenoid, a group of natural pigments found in various vegetables and fruits that give them vibrant colors like red, orange, and yellow. In the case of tomatoes, it is lycopene that gives them their deep, attractive red color. But what really makes lycopene such a special element is its powerful antioxidant capacity. Antioxidants are substances that neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage cells and tissues. Oxidative stress is associated with a range of chronic conditions, including cardiovascular diseases and various types of cancer. Therefore, lycopene acts as a natural defense, protecting our cells from such damage and helping to prevent the development of serious diseases. One of the most studied benefits of lycopene is its influence on reducing the risk of cancer, especially prostate cancer. Several epidemiological studies have shown that men who consume foods rich in lycopene have a lower likelihood of developing prostate cancer compared to those with low intakes of this antioxidant. This is because lycopene can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce inflammation in the body, both factors associated with cancer development. In addition to its impact on cancer health, lycopene also has a positive effect on cardiovascular health. Research suggests that lycopene can help reduce the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, which is an important risk factor for heart disease. By decreasing the oxidation of this cholesterol, lycopene helps prevent the formation of plaques in the arteries, contributing to a healthier and more functional cardiovascular system. Another notable feature of lycopene is that it is more effective when tomatoes are cooked. Cooking tomatoes breaks down the cell walls, releasing a larger amount of lycopene that is more easily absorbed by the body. This means that tomato sauce, tomato soup, and other dishes that use cooked tomatoes can provide a more concentrated amount of lycopene compared to raw tomatoes. Lycopene has also been associated with additional benefits, such as protecting the skin from damage caused by sun exposure. Although it does not replace sunscreen, studies indicate that regular consumption of lycopene-rich foods can help improve the skin's resistance to UV radiation and reduce signs of premature aging. Therefore, when you cut a tomato and enjoy its red, juicy flesh, you are not only preparing a delicious ingredient but also incorporating a powerful antioxidant into your diet. The lycopene found in tomatoes offers a wide range of health benefits, from cancer protection to promoting a healthy heart. With so many advantages, there's no doubt that tomatoes deserve a prominent place in your daily diet, whether in salads, sauces, or any other form you prefer. As you savor a dish that includes tomatoes, remember that you are contributing to your health in a flavorful and effective way, taking advantage of all the benefits that lycopene has to offer. Now we come to a benefit that many people consider crucial for a healthy and balanced life: the contribution of tomatoes to weight loss. However, before exploring how tomatoes can help with this goal, it's important to understand what makes them an effective ally in weight management. Tomatoes are an extremely beneficial food for those looking to lose weight, and this is mainly due to their unique nutritional characteristics. Firstly, tomatoes are notoriously low in calories. 1 cup of chopped tomatoes contains only about 30 calories, making them a smart choice for those trying to reduce caloric intake without sacrificing flavor and satisfaction. In addition to their low calorie content, tomatoes are composed mostly of water, about 95% of their weight. This high water content contributes to a feeling of fullness, helping to keep you satisfied for longer. When you eat foods with a high water content, like tomatoes, you are essentially filling your stomach with a significant amount of volume without adding many calories to your diet. This is especially useful when trying to create a caloric deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Another key aspect of tomatoes that aids in weight loss is their fiber content. Fiber is known for its satiating properties, which help control appetite and reduce calorie intake throughout the day. 1 cup of chopped tomatoes provides about 1.5 grams of fiber, contributing to digestive regulation and helping to maintain a feeling of fullness. Additionally, fiber helps slow digestion, which can contribute to a gradual release of energy and prevent blood sugar spikes and drops that can lead to cravings. Tomatoes also have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a smaller impact on blood sugar levels. Foods with a low glycemic index help regulate glucose and insulin levels, reducing the likelihood of hunger spikes and cravings for unhealthy foods. This can be particularly beneficial for those trying to lose weight, as stabilizing blood sugar levels can help avoid overeating and impulsive food choices. Moreover, Tomatoes contain antioxidants and phytonutrients that can help improve metabolic health. Lycopene, abundantly present in tomatoes, is one of the antioxidants that plays an important role in reducing inflammation and supporting efficient metabolism. A healthy metabolism is crucial for weight loss as it affects how the body burns calories and processes nutrients. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet doesn't have to be complicated or monotonous. They can be added to a variety of dishes, from fresh salads and sandwiches to sauces and soups. Each of these preparations retains the beneficial properties of tomatoes, allowing you to enjoy their benefits in a tasty and versatile way. In summary, tomatoes offer a set of characteristics that make them an excellent ally in weight loss. With their low calorie content, high water and fiber content, and positive impact on appetite control and metabolism, tomatoes can be a valuable addition to any weight loss plan. So, the next time you are planning your meals, remember to include tomatoes and take advantage of all the benefits they offer for your health and well-being. Extra tip for those who don't have much time. This tip is for you, friends who don't have time for activities like going to the gym, walking, running, or cycling. My wife and I enjoy cycling, running, and long outdoor walks. To help you, I will leave a link in the description of this video and in the first pinned comment. It's a review video where I recommend a product that can accelerate your weight loss process naturally and safely, with no contraindications. Don't miss out. If you like the tips, subscribe to our channel, comment, share, and leave a like. Let's take care of our health together. See you next time.